Hey guys, I'm Saya B. I'm the founder of lovetplanners.com, and I have an exciting announcement. We've just added a limited edition run of Lovet Vision Charms, and let me show you what that looks like. We have our Lovet Vision book, and we have Lovet Vision Charms. We will only be carrying these for a limited time. I literally got just small amounts of each charm just to get this rolling and just to share this with all of you guys. Every single charm has a specific meaning and something you're calling into your world. So obviously the love charm is to call in love. But the other charms, like the lightning bolt, there's the universe charm, there's the North Star, there's the money tree charm. You can guess what that one's for. Every single charm has a powerful meaning behind it, and they're meant for you to have basically in front of you all the time. So it's carrying your vision with you. Whereas I love to take my vision book plate everywhere with me, but there are certain places I'm not going to take it to lunch. The best possible way for me to have my vision with me all the time is to either have it on jewelry or to basically have it in front of me all the time. So I have this guy on my desk. I can see a summary of my vision. Basically, my collective vision board is now made into charms. And I also have used our vision board charms and put them on necklaces, on bracelet, and also on even other notebooks that I use. I have all my vision charms with me all the time. Even have it on my bag. I use them for bag charms, but this limited edition run is just so much fun. Let me just give you a quick tour of some of the charms that we have. Some I've literally only gotten 10 pieces of, and others I have a little bit more. And once they're gone, this was just a really fun passion project for me. I wanted to expand the ways we call in energy and call in just the things we want out of our life. And no matter what your faith is or what you believe in, I do think when you're thinking about the things you want more than the things you don't want, you have a higher chance of bringing that into your life. So let me show you some of my favorites. This is the Believe in Your charm. Literally says it right there on the charm. We've got, they don't all have words on them, but I want to show you these first. The Live Your Dream charm. Have one of my personal favorites, which is the Antique Silver North Star. This one is also a favorite. Basically, all of these are my favorite, but I have very special ones. This is the Whale Shark, and he is for courage. And isn't he so cute? And there's a little ritual card that comes with all of these, along with a reusable jewelry bag, which I will show you in a second. But then I have this abstract art charm, the creative side. Super high quality, super amazing. A lot of them are gold plated, so they're not going to tarnish. I have this ace card, not ace, excuse me. Wait, it is an ace card. This elephant charm for wisdom. We have charm packs based off of your goals. So if it's abundance, if it's love, if it's just a big change in your life, every single charm bundle has a specific goal. So if you're like, I don't want to go through and pick out the charms that I want, you can do that. This one is so fun. Red Hot Chili Pepper charm. And let's see, Japanese cherry blossom. So cute. A little something in the corner. I'm going to show you a different one. There we go. Japanese cherry blossom charm. This one is too fun. Rubber ducky. So fun. Then, to show you the other ways I use the charms, I've got my little monster charm on here, my money charm, and my cat charm. Obviously, I love kitties. My little bag charms. And an actual full vision charm necklace. Look at this. Once Upon a Time, Lucky Charm, literally Rubber Ducky, Reach for the Stars, Astronaut, Our Unique Little Dinosaur, Good Luck Charm, literally, and just so cute. These can also, by the way, clip on to your Lovet vision board books or any Lovet bound product. They literally can go on the spine, which is just so much fun. But doesn't have to be actually on any of your Lovet products if you don't want, because I like to literally have all of my vision board charms with me all the time. Like I said, this is my baseline. I've got my necklace. I also have a bracelet. Look at that. Amazing. Love this piano charm. Universe charm, time, that little Beauty and the Beast rose. This bracelet I actually like to clip onto my bag as a bag charm too. And then again, I'll also clip it on top of my vision board books and stuff too. So it's so much fun to have, but outside of fun, it's been really powerful for me. Just like everything else in the store, I use it first. I try it first. I obsess over it for months, if not years, and then I release it to you guys. So this has been really fun. And then really important charms are the home charms. Both come in an antique silver and an antique gold. So if you're trying to manifest a new home in your life or a safe and happy home, those are really important. This is why vision charms are just different from your average charm. They hold a lot of power and energy behind it. And so it's really awesome. And then other thing that I like to do that I'll sometimes clip on a notebook or on a necklace is I'll put them on a little carabiner like this. I think that's how you say the word. We also will be selling these in the store as well, limited edition. These are all super premium, rose gold plated. Some of these have literal cubic zirconia in them. I went a little crazy with some of our premium charms. Love these. So you could just clip these on. You can clip it onto a necklace. You can clip it on to a notebook, a planner. You can basically clip it on anywhere. I have these on my traveler's notebook, and you could literally put it anywhere. I also, let's see, I have it clipped. So you could just use these on anything. But the point is to have your vision with you all the time and to hold the power. And if you wanted to, you could even put it on a keychain. But I just feel like the best place for it is with you all the time. So either getting a small bundle of charms. This is not a small bundle, obviously. I just really, really love this and went a little crazy. And having it with you as a necklace or as a charm bracelet, and just with the most important things that you want to call in to your life. And I hope this brings you just as much magic and joy. What's going on with my lighting here? I hope these bring you just as much magic and joy as the vision board books, vision board planners, manifestation journals, and all of the amazing things that I have created and made for you guys. I hope it brings you even more joy and more manifestations, and just want you to live an amazing life. And we have a lot to look forward to in this world. I just think it's really important to stay focused on what you want to call in. So thanks so much for being a supporter, and can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these.